Hello, Sri Lakshmi. How are you? Happy Dashera?
Namaskar Ramaji, happy this time. I'm doing good, thank you. How are you?
Doing very well, thanks. So, how do you celebrate Dasara? What do you do for Dasara?
In Tamil Nadu, the basic celebration, the festival, the first 3 days are dedicated to Goddess Durga. Then the next 3 days, all the festivals, the chanting, everything dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi. And the last 3 days is dedicated to Goddess Saraswati. So this is the basic culture thing we do. And in our home, we also keep Bommai Golu. So you know the Golu, right? So
Right, yes, yes,
we
yes,
keep
of
all
course.
the gods. Yeah. So we keep Golu at our home. My mother-in-law, she does Velakku Puja every day during
Oh,
all these 9 days, including Dasami. So we worship the lamb as goddess Mahalakshmi. So she does puja every day. Uh, so yeah, this is the basic way we do culturally in our home.
good. Do you have a Kuttuvelakku at home?
Yeah, I do have.
Very nice. So now you light the lamp, and what will you do every day, evening, morning, puja, or?
Morning. What I do is I light the lamp and chant Lalita Sahasranama. Then I do the arti and do the Naivedyam. That's it. Evening after lighting the lamp, I chant Mahishasura Mardini Stotram, Mahalakshmi Ashtakam. Like that, we have so many stotrams, right? So we chant daily in the evening.
Okay. So where are you from, India?
So I am basically born and brought up in Kerala, and I married to a Tamil Iyer family.
Nice.
So
So in Kerala, how do you celebrate? I mean, where you were born? I mean, in your village, or is it something special?
uh, in Kerala, how we celebrate, in my mother's home, there is no Golu. But how we celebrate in Kerala is the main 3 days is last 3 days of Navaratri, like Durgashtami, Mahanavami, and Vijayadashami. These 3 days are more important in Kerala. So the main ritual we follow is we do Puja Veppa. Puja Veppa is whatever we are studying, anything like studies or instrumental part, whatever it is we are studying, we keep in the puja room under the puja. So next day on Mahanavami day, Saraswati Puja day, we do puja to the books. We chant Saraswati Ashtakam and all. Then next day on Vijayadashami, we have a particular muhurta called Vidyarambham. So on that particular time, we do puja and we keep one plate full of rice in front of the puja room. Then we write our initial letters in that rice first. Then we take our books and we read 2-3 lines. Or if you are learning anything instruments like veena or violin, whatever it is, we sit in the puja room and do some, we play something, some small music. Yeah, that day.
Did you
This
learn
is
any instrument or part or anything?
no. I as a kid, I used to keep all my books, everything, all subjects books to the puja room, and so as a kid, my main memory is on Navami day we don't need to study anything because we kept for puja, right? So that is the official day. We don't need to study anything. So nobody will ask you to study. So that
That's
was the
nice.
highlight of Navaratri for us as a kid.
Very nice.
And my parents were teachers, so many of their students, including my friends, they all come and keep books in our home because my father used to do puja every day. So on Vijayadashmi day, my mom early morning she wake up and make prasadam for all the kids like sundal, nei payasam, idli, sambar, vada, or something like that. And they all come to our home during that Vidyarambam time. We all chant together, we do puja together. Then they all have their prasadam, and so it was like a festival for me as a child. Yeah, that is my
Very, very
childhood.
nice. So, how did it change after your marriage? Did you move to Chennai, or you have been in different countries now? You are living in Geneva.
Yes.
But tell us a bit about your experience after marriage, how it changed the Kolu, the Dasara, and if any other country also.
Yeah, after marriage, my first Navratri was with my mother-in-law. It was so nice. I was amazed to see my mom's guru, my mother-in-law's guru. She had a you know numerous number of dolls. We used to keep 11 steps and their home, and then from her I started. After marriage I came to Geneva initially, 2005.
Mm-hmm.
So that time I didn't had any dolls or anything, so I just used to chant. Then from here we moved to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. There we get all the things we get in India also. Like during Navratri time, we get all the clay dolls there also. So after moving there, me and my husband we went and bought some dolls and we kept, initially one step. So we started with like that. Then slowly, when we go to India, I started getting more dolls. But it's a bit difficult because from Kuala Lumpur we moved to Manila. From Manila we again moved here. So whenever this movement occurs during that shipment and all, I used to lost some of my dolls.
Mm,
It was very delicate. We bought the
very
clay
cool.
dolls initially.
Yeah,
Now we are trying to buy more paper mesh types, so it's easy to handle.
right. So how do you find Navaratri? Is your experience of Navaratri in Kuala Lumpur and Manila and Geneva? Can you just compare and give us a little bit of what you feel, how it is?
Yeah, in Kuala Lumpur, we have so many temples there also. So they used to keep Golu in temples as well. So it's like we used to have Vilakku Puja at temples. So it was more like we are in India when we were in Kuala Lumpur. So we used to go to temples every day. We had so many friends there. So we stay together in one home and we chant Sahasranamam together, like that. So, but in Manila also, we had a, wherever we Indians are, I was amazed to see that we all follow our tradition wherever we are. We try to follow our tradition. So it happened in Manila also. Manila, it was more grand because I met with some of my friends. They are very, very, what to say, they're very, very enthusiastic to do this Navaratri because in Manila we don't have a temple there. So they used to take one ambal and they decorate. Every year they decorate with some theme. Like one year there was Madurai Meenakshi, then next year some Tripura Sundari, like that. They decorate ambal like that. Then they learn slokas regarding to that particular ambal. Then that Saturday, Navratri we have one Saturday. That Saturday they call every Indian woman, everyone to their home and they chant all these hymns, slokas together. Then they offer the same tambulam and all.
Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Fantastic experience
Manila,
moving around different
yeah,
countries. Very, very
yeah,
nice. So,
yeah.
Geneva this year, unfortunately, because of COVID, we
Yeah,
couldn't
because of
meet.
COVID, we couldn't meet. Yeah, this is the
Mm,
first time I'm keeping here in there because last time I came almost during Navratri time here. We moved this that time, so I couldn't meet anyone that time. So I was hoping to meet everyone this year,
mm.
but this pandemic.
Yeah. So,
So
but I
hopefully,
think thanks to this association Kalacharam, we are all able to, see what Kalacharam people follow in different parts of India and how we celebrate, particularly coming from India, how we are trying to celebrate the traditions in Geneva, particularly.
yes,
So your
very nice.
experience, is very, very nice because you have experience in India, in Kerala as a child, then in
Yeah,
Geneva, Kuala Lumpur, Manila, and back to Geneva. And
yeah.
welcome
Thank
back to
you,
Geneva. Here also we have a big
thank you,
festival.
Ramaji. Yeah.
So it's really interesting. So do you play any instruments? You said no, but do your children learn anything?
Yeah,
Anything?
my younger one is learning Mridangam from Pashupati sir. So
Hmm.
he just started during February. He started learning, so he's slowly progressing.
Very nice. So he will be doing the Vidyarambham this time.
Tomorrow, yeah. Today we kept because for us today is Mahanavami and tomorrow is the Vijayadashami. So
Very
we
nice.
kept everything for puja today. So tomorrow early morning, because kids are having school, we don't wait for the muhurtam. We just early morning we'll finish puja and they will do the. So I hopefully he can at least play a little bit without making much sound, without disturbing our neighbors. We'll do
Right,
that.
right. So,
Thank,
thank you so much. Very nice talking to you.
thank you, Samaji. Thank you
And
for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
thanks to Kalacharam. So, this
Thanks to
wonderful
Kalachar.
opportunity to tell everybody about how we celebrate Navaratri in Geneva, particularly. So, this is very, very nice. I am very happy that I could talk to you and see and understand how you celebrate Navaratri and what your experience has been in different parts of the world. Thank you so much, Sri Lakshmi. This
Thank
is
you so much,
Rama
Raman. Thank you.
Kalacharam. Have a
Thank you.
nice evening and a wonderful Vidyarambham. Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.